Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn medical knowledge step by step. First, begin by mastering the foundational sciences. This includes subjects like anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, and pharmacology. Dedicate at least 2 to 3 hours daily to these core areas. Use well-regarded textbooks and reputable online platforms to build a strong conceptual understanding. Avoid rote memorization initially. Instead, strive to grasp the underlying principles. A solid foundation is crucial for all subsequent learning in medicine. Next, transition to active learning and application. This involves more than just reading. It means actively testing your knowledge. Employ techniques such as spaced repetition flashcards and completing hundreds of practice questions. Work through clinical case studies to see how theoretical knowledge applies to real patient situations. Joining a study group can also be incredibly beneficial, allowing you to discuss challenging concepts and learn from peers. Aim for at least 1 hour of active recall daily. To ensure long-term retention, consistent review is paramount. Utilize spaced repetition systems, reviewing material at increasing intervals, perhaps every 3 days, then 7, then 14. Regularly revisit older topics, even if only for 20 to 30 minutes each session, to keep them fresh. Summarizing complex information into one-page notes or creating visual mind maps can also significantly aid recall. A powerful technique is to teach what you've learned to a friend or even an imaginary audience. Finally, medical knowledge is ever-evolving, so continuous learning is essential. Stay current by reading medical journals and following reputable medical news sources. As you progress, identify areas of medicine that genuinely interest you and delve deeper into those for potential specialization. Attending professional conferences and workshops can provide new insights and networking opportunities. Remember, medicine is a journey of lifelong learning, requiring dedication and curiosity every single day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.